Hello everyone. Take a section from the front and then make many sections underneath it as such and tie it up on the side. Make 2 braids at the back, crisscross it and join it into ponytails. Take a section from the front, make multiple sections on the side and then braid the bottom portion of this. Join it to the back and then add a rubber band in the middle, roll it up. Diagonally divide the hair as such, then taking the bottom portion, make many sections, braid the side and then tie it up to the ponytail. Braid the side and then make it into a bun. Take a section from the front, braid the hair and then make another section right underneath it. Braid this as well and then join it to another braid at the bottom. Start off by adding some gel and then comb the hair into place. Tie a ponytail at the back. Roll the hair in on itself as such. Add a clip to it. Take a section from the front and then braid the hair. Right underneath it, make a ponytail, make another section, tie it all up. Take a section from the front, add multiple sections on the side as such. Then make a division at the back and then tie a rubber band to it. Roll the section of the hair in on itself, make 2 braids and then join it together in a heart shape. Divide the hair into 3 portions and then add 2 rubber bands to the sides as such. Leave out a small section of the hair and then tie it up with the next. Loosen it using your fingers, add it to the braid on the side, roll it up into a bun. Make 2 braids at the bottom. Take a section from the front and then taking the top layer, divide the middle portion into 2 parts, make 2 braids out of it, join it to the other 2 braids. Join it all in a ponytail at the back. Diagonally divide the hair, make multiple sections at the bottom and then continue to do this, join it to the side. In the side ponytail, add a rubber band in the middle, roll it up into a bow. Leaving out a section from the front, take the top section, make a braid out of it. Join it to a low braid in the bottom. Make 2 braids at the bottom as well and roll it up. Take a section from the top and then divide this into 2 sections, make 2 braids out of it. Join it to the sides as such, lift it up and tie it up. Take a section from the top, tie a rubber band to it and then braid the hair. Take another section right underneath it, make multiple sections, tie a ponytail, tie a braid and roll it up. Take a section from the front, make multiple sections out of it. Braid the back as such. Make 2 ponytails on either side and then at the bottom, make 4 ponytails. Join them together and then join it to the 2 braids on the side. Roll it up into a bun. Add decorative rubber bands. Make multiple sections at the back as such and then make the last section into a braid, roll it up into a bun. At the bottom, make another braid. Make multiple sections in the front and then include some thread into the hair. Using the thread as one of the sections, braid the hair. Join it all together in the ponytail at the back. Separate a section in the front, make a braid out of it, braid the bottom as well and tie it up using multiple rubber bands. Thank you for watching.